Good day, class. So we are going to be looking at ratio, the topic ratio. Somebody will wonder, what is ratio? Ratio is dividing or sharing things into a number of groups. Ratio means dividing or sharing things into a number of groups. Now, look at this question. The ages of Audu and Amina are 6 years and 9 years. The ages of Audu and Amina are 6 years and 9 years. Now, let me show you something. This first name, Audu, has the first year, while the second name, Amina, has the second year. I hope you get it. These ages, the first name has the first age, the second name has the second age. Now you're asked to express their ages as a ratio. Audu is to Amina, which means Audu's age will come first before Amina's age. So we are having Audu is 6, Amina is 9. Ordinarily, this would have been your answer. Yes, if you did it up to here, you're having at least half of your mark. But look at this number, something can divide it. This is not the lowest term of it. And the number that can divide both at the same time is 3. You need to break it down. Whenever you write your ratio, ensure that it's being broken down to the lowest term. Because in most common entrance, they may even give you this as an option and give you the lowest term as an option, just to confuse our minds. But we will not allow them. So when you have a number like this, look out for any common factor that you use to divide. So 3 will be dividing. When 3 divides 6, you have 2. And when 3 divides 9, you have 3. So this is your final answer. Even though this was not what was given at the original question. But you cannot leave it at this. You need to break it down. So Awudu's age now is 2 years, as to Amina's age, which is 3 years. So this is your answer. And here you're asked to express the ratio 3:5 as a fraction. Express the ratio 3:5 as a fraction. First of all, you find the total ratio. What is the total ratio? Total ratio is to add up everything you have, which is 3 and 5. So you're having 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Remember, you're asked to express as a fraction. So your answer will be in fraction form, not in ratio form. So, first number will give you, okay, let me write that. First fraction equals this 3, which is the first number, over the total fraction, 8. And second fraction will give you the second number, which is 5, over the total fraction. So these are your answers. In this case, you have 2 answers. Let me take it again. If you're asked to express a ratio, this is a ratio. When you see is to, is a ratio form. But when you see over, is a fraction form. Now they have given you this and say express as a fraction. Express as a fraction. Now, first of all, you have to add up the fractions, the numbers you were given. When you add it up, you get the total fraction. Now, the first fraction you will be getting will be the first number over the total fraction. Why the second fraction over the total ratio, Why the second fraction is the second number over the total ratio. I hope this is well digested. You can go to your textbook and pick up some things and play with. Enjoy the class. Have a great day, friends.